school. Today, standard 6, subject English, chapter number 1, When I Was a Child. Our author is Jerry Smith. Before starting the lesson, when I was a child means the story of history, means the time of past. What is our earliest memory as a child? Like me. Which insects from your early child do you remember? Means you already a child and I am youngest. Means now we discuss about the section 1. Section 1. Throw a colored glass. Children, you wear a sunglasses. Glasses. You know very well what is the difference in sunglasses and normal glasses. If the sunglasses color is a red, just put sunglasses and then remove. You realize that what is the difference between sunglasses and a normal. Like this, R.K. Lakshman talks about his childhood. R.K. Lakshman talks about his childhood. His brother R.K. Narayan and his path towards becoming a celebrated cartoonist and illustrator. Now start the lesson. In our old house in Mysore. In our old house in Mysore means the author lives in a Mysore. There was a window. It had a glass pane divided into many parts. It had a glass pane divided into many parts. You just broke the glass, so many parts of divided into many parts of glasses. Each part had a different color. Each part had a different color. One day, the pane broke. Bites of colored glass twinkled down. The pen broke, bites of colored glass tinkled down. I ran to pick up these pieces. Means author ran to pick up those pieces. I looked at every color one after another. I looked at every color one after another. You see this picture on your book. The piece of pen. Suddenly I happened to see through the glass. Author happened to see through the glass and I saw a new world. The author saw a new world. It was strange, varied and frightening. Everybody and everything looked blue. As we discussed about the sunglasses, you wear a sunglasses color in a red. All the world light color is red. The blue gardener dug the blue earth. You see in a picture on your textbook, the author see this is the glass of pieces and the color is blue. The blue gardener dug the blue earth. Nearby stood a blue cow swishing its blue tail. Now, here is a third verse. First one, swishing. Underline this word and the meaning of swishing. The tail was moving quickly through the air in a way that made a soft sound. What is the meaning of swishing? Swishing means the tail was moving quickly through the air in a way that made a soft sound. You see a picture on this book. Here is a cow and here is a tail. Tail is moving quickly through the air. For the example, I think you have a pet, like a dog. You just call it, and then the dog starts moving like this. The tail was moving quickly through the air in a way that made a soft sound. You casually see a cow always moving quickly through the air in a way that made a soft sound. Now, why the sun had turned blue in the sky? The author think about it. Why the sun had turned blue in the sky? Everything was smoky and still. Author think about everything was smoky and still. Second hard word, smoky. What is the meaning of smoky? Strange and frightening. Strange and frightening. Everything was smoky and still means authors in a short. Strange and frightening and still. I could not bear it anymore. Author could not bear it anymore. Quickly I raised the great glass piece. In the story, author's pen broke into many colors, and first one author picked a blue color, and next the author quickly erased the green glass piece. Author picked up green glass piece. Thank God, things become cheerful again. Means authors thanks to God, things become cheerful again. The same gardener was shoveling away with a bucket by his side. Another hard words, away. Shoveling away. Shoveling away. Lifting and moving. Lifting and moving. a shovel. The earth with a shovel. Shoveling away means lifting and moving the earth with a shovel. In the monsoon, earth covered with a shovel in a green color. You realize that in a monsoon season, everywhere earth colors is like a green, covered with a shovel color green. Like this, shoveling away, lifting and moving the earth with a shovel. The cow turned friendly means the cow color turned away green. But I heard I had to try out the red piece. Now, author had to try out the red piece. It struck terror into my heart. It struck terror into my heart. The cow was ready to attack me because cow is also seen in a red mirror, and you know very well the cow whenever cow saw a red color he became attacked to on us. The cow was ready to attack me. The dog bared its teeth, and the gardener was digging up a scotland under the neem tree. Here the another hard words. Underline this word. Bread its teeth. Bread its teeth. The dog showed. The dog showed its teeth in an angle. In an angle. Threatening way. Threatening way. Break its teeth means the dog showed its teeth in an angry and threatening way. Means whenever you go out and then you realize that the dog, when was the dog in angry mode, he showed his teeth like this. Break its teeth. The dog showed its teeth in an angry and threatening way. Because the author put a red color. Red clouds gathering in a bloody sky. Because everything colors into a red. Because author put a piece of paint color is a red. Red colors gathered in a bloody sky. The word was a sense of war. Authors realized that the word was a scene of war because put on the piece of paint color is a red, because everything changed into color red. The sweetening and troubling. I switched back to green. Author scared. So I switched back to green, and then author changed the color in a green. At once thing clamped down. It was a cool, pleasant day out in the garden at home, where the breeze blew softly. At once thing calmed down means the scene of war now over. At once thing calmed down. It was a cool, pleasant day out in the garden at a home where the breeze blew softly. Father and mother were out. I was free to play the whole evening. So student, first of all, write down your hard works in your book. Okay student, further moving for the next page. I was free to play the bowling because author's father and mother were out, means out of station, means out of home. So author was free to play the whole evening. As I remember it means means authors remember it. This was my first communication with my surroundings. Means authors was first feeling of first communication with his surroundings. I love looking through the broken glass pieces. Author loved looking through the broken glass pieces, feeling different with each color. Means many different colors, and the author realized that perhaps this was an early sign of my interest in visual things, in drawing and painting that were to be my life. Perhaps this was an early sign of my interest in visual things, in drawing. Means authors interested in a visual things. Like, underline this word, hard words. Visual things. What is the visual things? Things that you can see. Things that you can see. Things that you can see. This is the visual things, because this is the marker you can see it. This is the visual things, and you can see the board. This is the things of visual things. In drawing and painting there were to be my life. Drawing and painting there were to be author's life. When did I start drawing? Means authors when start drawing, maybe at the age of 3. Means authors 3 years old when the author start drawing. I started on the wall. First one, author started drawing on the wall. Of course, like any normal child. Of course, like any normal child. Means when I was child, as this age, me also drawing on the wall. Parents were more tolerant on those days. Parents were more tolerant in those days because for the example, you draw the painting on the wall and your mothers refuse to don't do this like this in angry mode like this. No one stopped my scribbling on the wall, but authors, parents, not like this. No one stopped my scribbling on the wall. I drew with bits of burnt wood and I got from the hot water stove in the backyard. What did I draw? Authors thought that what he drew, other all the usual things, tree, house, the sun behind the hill, and author thoughts, trees, houses, the sun behind the hill. I was not at all a good student in the classroom. Authors was not all a good student in the classroom. The one time I got a part of the blame from the teacher was for one of my drawings. When the one time author got a part on the back from the teacher for one of my drawings. We were all asked to draw a leaf. We were all asked to draw a leaf. Means author's teacher give a assignment, means give a homework, give a classwork, drawing a leaf. Each child stretched his head and wondered what a leaf looked like, because author realized what usual things, and then author's drawing like very much because author realized usual things. You can see that on pictures on your textbook. Wondered what a leaf looked like. One drew a banana leaf which became too big for the slide. One drew a banana leaf which became too big for the sled, because bananas leaf large of size and the sled size of mini. Another drew a spade that couldn't be seen. Another hard words. Spade. Spade. A very small spot. A very small spot. The drawing was very small spot that couldn't be seen. Some just managed blobs. Blobs. Here, drawings. Drawings that did not look like this at all. Did not look like this at all. For the example, is this a fish like this? Then you say, no sir, this is not a fish. Like this, drawings that did not look like this at all. Some of the students Managed blobs means not like leaves at all. When the teacher came to me, he asked, "Did you draw this by yourself?" Means author's teacher come here to the author and he asked, "Did you draw this yourself?" I hesitated and I done wrong. Means author's scared. Write down on your book hard words. Further moving. Suddenly, author's teacher asked, "Did you draw this yourself?" And had I done wrong, I nodded dumbly. Means author realized there is a not not done by good painting. The teacher actually broke into a smile. He said I had done a very good job. He said I had done a very good job. Means author's drawing very good. He saw a great possibility in that leaf I drew so long ago on a hot afternoon, sitting in the dull classroom. Means author drew so long ago a hot afternoon sitting in a dull classroom. I had seen that leaf on the peepal tree. Means author had seen that leaf on the peepal tree, which I passed each day on way to school. Means authors see daily leaf and other students not see a leaf in real life. So that means author passed each day on way to school. Generally, people take everything for granted. They hardly see anything around them. But I had a keen eye. Here is another hard words, keen eye. Keen eye. What is the meaning of keen eye? Good at noticing things. Good at noticing things. Good at not noticing things. But I have a keen eye. Means authors see visual things that you can see. Things that you can see. Like this, a keen eye, good at noticing things. Casually see a movie like a Drishyam. In Ajay Devgan said that if you watch the living things and never forget this. I observed everything and I had a gift for recycling details. That is essentially for every cartoonist and illustrator. Okay, student. Today our video is complete. Further moving in our next video. Today homework is homework hard words. Write 2 times and read it. Today your homework is hard words. Write 2 times and read it. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.